I am making shaving cream. This is a lavender scented shaving cream. So that's what it is, and this is the consistency. So it's not too bad, and this will be whipped around when I add the other ingredients. So hey, I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender. Welcome to my channel. So now what I'm going to do is add this to my foaming bath whip mixture. Put this on low and just mix it up. I don't want to whip it too much because you can over whip this and then it doesn't form as well. So you have to be kind of careful with the foaming bath whips. So I'm going to do one more time. That is nicely incorporated. So now I'm going to add my paling clay, the preservative. Pour that right in. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay. Let's just make sure this is all nicely incorporated. So you always like stir around the bowl on the edges, just like when you're making a cake or making frosting. I just made a chocolate cake yesterday and I can't eat eggs, so I added applesauce instead. Don't do that. I think the substitute for eggs is bananas. This is the fragrance oil. Add in there and stir this up. Let's turn that off. That's perfect. Get all that off there. And then I'm going to divide the mixture. I have a fan blowing on me because you're supposed to wear a mask, but I have the fan blowing so it will blow it away. Because you don't want to breathe any mica. I'm doing the light purple first, and if you ever make any soap, whenever you mix any of your colors, you always start with the lightest color and then you work dark. You go darker. So I have that Queen Purple Mica, and that's a darker purple. This is going to be really pretty. It smells really nice too. It's a nice light lavender scent. That's one thing about lavender. It can really, sometimes it can be very strong. I gotta whip this down a little bit. Okay. Interesting. This is a real different medium to be working with. I'm just going to transfer this to another bowl because I want to show you how to fill the piping bag, and there's a trick on that. There's always all these little tricks and tips, but if it just makes it easier on creating the skincare products, it makes it much more enjoyable. Foaming bath whip to work with. I got the fan blowing on me. Put on low so it doesn't like poof up. Right, I'm going to scrape the sides just a little bit. Put that in there. Alright, now this is the light one. And what this does by doing it like this is it saves on the mess of your bag. And so you don't have to refill it every time. There. Alright, that's done. Now what you do is you just close up the sides like this. Close up that end there. I'm going to try to get the air out. Shoot, I didn't get the air out. Okay, so there's one done. Look at that. Nice little Tootsie Roll. I was thinking about chocolate, huh? Oh, I can't eat Tootsie Rolls anymore. Okay. Sorry about the noise. Okay, let's flip it over. Because you want the sticky side facing up. Let's get the purple here. So it's a little bit darker. I don't know if you can see that. Just a tad bit darker. So that was the point of adding a little bit more. I thought the mica would be dark enough, but I guess not. Okay, this side's up like this, like so. And you just squeeze it together. See the difference in color? It's very light. No. I did get through, took a little bit of finesse, and I was able to pull both of them through. You didn't need to see that. And so now I'm going to just cut the tips right here. And okay, there you go. There you go. Oh yeah, that definitely makes it, look how thick this is, wow. So it's already touching, see that? It's already touching that part right there. So that probably is filled enough, because you don't want to go all the way to the top. It's just like when you do like body butter and stuff like that. Next thing I will show you is the labeling. And then you can see the little bit of the different colors. It's very subtle. So when it comes out of the bottle, it should be really nice. I'm very happy with this. The scent is beautiful. And I will take some photos and put that up on my social media. And so you can check that out.